Welcome to Learn, Study and Grow. Greetings. Greetings. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. How are you today? How are you today? Asking for help. Asking for help. Can you help me please? Can you help me please? Can you repeat that please? Can you repeat that please? Making request. Making request. Can I have a coffee please? Can I have a coffee please? Could you tell me way to the station? Could you tell me way to the station? Expressing opinions. I think it's great idea. I think it's great idea. In my opinion this is best opinion. In my opinion this is best opinion. Making introduction. Making introduction. This is my friend Lisa. This is my friend Lisa. Let me introduce myself. Let me introduce myself. Expressing gratitude. Expressing gratitude. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it. Offering assistance. Offering assistance. Can I assist you with anything? Can I assist you with anything? Let me know if you need help. Let me know if you need help. Apologizing. Apologizing. I am sorry for the inconveniences. I am sorry for the inconveniences. I apologize for the mistake. I apologize for the mistake.